Hello. Ooh, Shiva Lingham. Transformation, transcendence, transition, amethyst. Your crown chakra. Protection from overwhelm, insights, and this is a softer piece of amethyst also. So this is double important, and I'll explain that in a minute. Here we have some angel aura, really pretty. And let's see, what's this one? Chrysocolla. Love it. Transition, transcendence, transformation. If you are not yet embracing something or a few somethings that your guides are sharing with you, take this as your sign, beautiful. Either let go of something else that really isn't serving you, whether it's a person, a thought, a memory, something to be healing, and take this as encouragement to start moving along your path a little differently. Maybe it's not abandoning or letting go of everything or anyone. How about just a minor shift so that you see things just a little bit differently, a little bit clearer? Amethyst. It is a protection stone. It's a master healer stone. It is also for your crown chakra, sometimes your third eye, but mostly your crown chakra. So spiritual expansion, what does that mean? I mean, it's nice, pretty words, right? But what is spiritual expansion? Being willing to let go of the naysayer conscious mind and all of its little, totally opposite of anything pretty much positive, right? Last night, mine would just not be quiet. Holy heavens, it took me such a while to quiet my mind and get to some actual sleep. This one is a softer amethyst, so it actually has quite a bit of clear quartz that is starting to metamorphosize, so change or transition into amethyst. So what is that? This helps, the clear quartz helps to magnify the energies of everything else. So it's also a manifestation part, it's protection, and it can help you tap into your guides even more clearly, more trusting, if you will. And then look at this beautiful angel aura. Your guardian angels, the archangels, and this can even be for your spirit guides, whomever it is that you connect with. Angel aura is also a very good protection stone. So intuitive gifts, if you want to work on those or you have been working on yours, then this is excellent because it does definitely require transformation, transition from where you were vibrationally, energetically, which is kind of the same thing but not exactly, and then coming into your crown chakra or coming through it so that you open more to the cosmos and your guides, clear quartz, magnification of the energies, so that you can then begin to identify the nudges, or nudges as I call them, as well as the little fleeting zip in and kind of float out thoughts. And then we have Chrysocolla. What are you saying to yourself inside your head, or writing in your journal, or telling other people about yourself that really isn't true? And this is not about a lie. It's just hiding your real self. And even if you don't feel comfortable, and this goes beyond comfort, but if it's not the right time, or the people that you are with or have around you totally wouldn't get it, then just keep it to yourself. But what are you saying to yourself, beautiful soul, when you are inside your head, when you are alone and no one else is looking or listening or can hear you. Those are the primary thoughts, which then feed emotions, and emotions feed thoughts, which then conjures up, well, that's an interesting word, conjures up the energy that then gets radiated and projected out. So, Shiva Lingham, transformation, transcendence, and transition. Amethyst for your crown chakra, your spiritual expansion, connecting, master healer, and soul stone. This is amethyst and clear quartz, protection, magnification of the other energies. Whoops. Hello. Angel aura, connecting with your inner intuitive self, your higher self, your guides, whomever they may be. And Chrysocolla, speaking your truth, at least to yourself, even if it's not in your best interest to speak aloud. Please like this video, tap the button below if you would. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will be putting these crystals in the description. Which is on a selenite slab. It is the sacred geometry for the solar system. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.